agriculture.
The farming crops. Or,
Yes, exactly. We have
The agricultural crops.
agricultural
Yeah.
crops.
Agricultural fires when they collect the
exactly.
crops and they light everything up.
Exactly. Yes.
They are allowed or not?
Sorry.
Are they allowed to do that?
Non, il demande si les paysans ils brûlent leurs champs.
Sometime.
If they like call the fire and ask for a vehicle to control
Exactly.
it, yeah? But during the summer, no.
No,
Yeah,
absolutely not.
that's what I
And
guess.
in another part of Switzerland, typically the Canton Valais, it's very high mountain, but very high. And the fighting is absolutely not the same. And it's very difficult to fighting the fire with the trucks. It's exclusively helicopter choppers.
And for example, how are you taking the heat here so far? Is it hot for you?
The
Right
temperature.
now, yeah. Is
Climate?
it hot?
Yeah, it's in Switzerland. It's not so hot.
No,
Probably
of
we have
course,
right
30,
now.
30.
we have 32 degrees in Geneva, but not
This is
40,
actually
40.
a cold day.
Yeah,
today.
sure.
Yeah.